Hello beautiful, and you're welcome. And today's video we will be baking fresh coconut bread. Did I say we? Yes, of course we, because I have some guests in my kitchen with me today. So just sit down and watch till the end so that you won't miss anything. My name is Minister Jenny Alufa, and you're welcome to my channel. First, I'm just going to go ahead to crack the eggs. As I always advise, make sure you have all your ingredients there ready whenever you want to cook or bake. As you can see, there was a little hand there helping me out. The kids wanted to just bake with me that day, so we decided to have fun together because they are home from school. So these days, most of the things I cook or I make at home, we usually make them together, and filming was not easy at all, but trust me, we were able to do it and it was fun. And just enjoy, sit back and watch this video, this coconut bread recipe. This particular one is different because I used fresh coconut milk. You can buy fresh already made coconut milk from the shopping mall or any of those groceries where you can get them, but if you can get a fresh coconut, it will give you a better taste. Just watch the procedure step by step, and if you don't have a stand mixer, if you're going to be using your hands, it's the same thing. It's just that you're going to be using more time for the mixing of the dough, for the kneading of the dough. Yes, that's where the job is, kneading of the dough and the mixing. But if you have a stand mixer, it will make things very much easier for you. And if you have any question to ask concerning this bread or any of other of my bread recipes, which I will be leaving them in the description section, please send me any question through the comment section and I would gladly reply you. So enjoy viewing. Now, after the mixer had stopped working, now I'm going to use my hands to knead it for like another extra 5 minutes thereabout, just to give me the consistency I want. This was so much fun with the kids. Everywhere was so messed up. The kids were having fun. While I was doing this, they were just there around me. Mommy, I want to miss. Mommy, let me do it. Mommy, let me do it. As you can see, this is my first daughter. She's trying to learn how to knead the dough like mommy. And the fun continues. Oh my god, I enjoyed so much baking with them, and it was so much fun for me. It was just a way for us to just pass. One of the things we do right now when we are home, we just try to cook together and do things together. That way we kind of schedule the things we want to do in the house. You know, kids in the house with them from morning to evening, you just need to find one or two things to keep them occupied. And this kitchen I'm trying to introduce them to knowing how to do some things in the kitchen that's really helping out. Trust me, they love it so much. They enjoy helping me out. They enjoy watching me. They enjoy wanting to help me. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are very, very welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do subscribe and click on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop any new video. Yes, please kindly do that, and kindly like this video as well if you know this video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So this is just it, and watch this video to the end, and I trust you enjoy as you watch this video to the end. Share this recipe with your family, try it out, and let me know in the comment section how it came. Trust me, you are going to enjoy this bread. This bread lasted for just like 2 days and it was gone. Like 2 days the bread was gone. That was it, like just like that. 2 days and it was gone. Like this little ones, the kids ate it that day immediately, as in before I sliced it, it was gone. So thank you so much for watching till the end. So until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and bye bye.